many steps, like I just said about under my sink. If it takes more than a few seconds to put something away, most people won't do it consistently, especially when you're tired or busy. Second, out of sight, out of mind. Some things, sorry, I have to readjust. Some things are just put away way too well, right? If your cleaning supplies or systems are hidden, you forget to use them. You don't see them, so you don't act. I'm a organizer, and sometimes I've organized things, and because I can't see where they're organized, it just takes me forever to find the items and then remember where I had them organized to put them back. So I have to use clear systems where I can see things easily. So the third is no reset system. Most people wait until things are super bad and then try to fix everything at once. Once you run out of all clean clothes, then you wash your laundry. Once you dirty up all the dishes, then you wash the dishes. That's not a sustainable system. So,